I made 25K last month selling a cheap product like this, and you can do the same. First, make a Shopify account for $1. Then pull up Tradell.io and pick an evergreen product that has demand, like this one. Now import the product to your Shopify in one click. Design the product page, add volume discounts, and import reviews for social proof. When a customer buys the product in your store, Tradell ships the product out for you. Then attract visitors to your store. Here is how you do it. Get some quality UGC ads from Billo.app. Create a Meta Ads account. Set the objective to sales. Set the daily budget at $20. Configure the right audience. Apply your ads and publish your campaign the next day. Comment guide, and I will DM you a step-by-step guide on how it's done. Hey, what's up everyone? By now, I'm guessing most of you watching this have heard about DeepSeek. That the cool AI I've been raving about. If you caught my last video, you saw how I brought out a simple way to make some cuts with it. And you guys love it. Just apply, comment, and even DM ask me to dive deeper into Sci-Hub's idea. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm talking you step by step through how you can use DeepSeek to kick up a side hustle right from your coach. We are talking maybe $5,000 a month if you play your card right. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't some get rich tomorrow scam. You gotta put in the work, but just me, when you get the hang of it, your whole life could flip upside down in the best way possible. Let's not waste time, let's jump it. So picture this, a couple of months ago, I was strolling through YouTube, feeling stuck. Bills were piled up and I was like, man, I need something extra, but I don't want to leave my house or clock into another 9 to 5. That's when I stumbled into DeepSeek. You should head over to DeepSeek, sign up for free, and hit start now. Boom, you are in a super easy interface where you type in from to figure out what side hustle fits you. For example, I type it, what are the top 10 famous YouTube niche that could pull in $10,000 a month from ads and selling stuff online. You don't even have to sell your face. If that notice your vibe, talk, is a killer way to start up multiple income streams. Alright, so if you speed out the list, stop life in this shape, code and cereal, mindfulness. I sat there thinking, what do I actually care about? And I landed on budgeting and money hacks. Why? Because last year I was down in a credit card debt, $8,000 debt, and I clouded my way out by learning how to budget Life Pro. It's personal to me, and I know tons of people out there in the same boat. You gotta pick something you can stick with for a month or two, maybe longer. That's key. Next up, I asked DeepSeek what are the top 10 digital products I could sell with a budgeting YouTube channel that people are dying to buy. It came back with the idea. Let me tell you, not having saving during that death match was a nightmare. I went ahead borrowed $2 from my cousin, just fixed my car. I even checked the Google Trend typing in like this, and so people have been searching for the slave rises in way back. That's how I know I sell. Now here's ways, yes fun, you don't gotta build this forest from scratch. This tool called Gamma. Link description, totally free to start. Sign up, plug in, you are on the page where you wake up unable or slice out. I pick a slice out, set a slide, chair slide, and type it like this. It generate outline, trick it if you want it, then generate. In minutes, it's pump out text, graphics, and no WAPs, no speed up needed. I went through it, my soul is fiber with my story, and exported as a PDF. You could even toss in an AI voiceover with something like EvenLab if you feel fancy. So you got your product, now how do you sell it? I use Messenger, and it's a AI website builder. It's come with a freedom and 24/7 support and 30-day money back guarantee. If it's not your thing, beat the business website builder plan. I went the 24 months to save some cash. Then log in. You chat some brand name and quick description, That's you are selling something and it subject you an online store. Say yes, hit create website, and bam, it's done. It'll show right off the bat at your product title, resistance, price, and you are lying. If you want me to do full video on this part, just comment, tell me the store setup, I'll hook you up. But here's the real traffic, making the product half the battle. Yet in ions is the under half. One way start a faceless YouTube channel, post regular video, drive people to your site. I active say, give me 10 video title for my budgeting channel that you with chins up views. You copy it and run it through it. It's linked below. It's so medium short volume, low composition, perfect for quick win. Then I use Invid AI to make the video. Title acting like this, and in minutes I had polished video. Here the sneak peek. Picture this, your heart breakdown, range deal, and you got nothing say. An emergency fund chain that I'm gonna show you how. Here's the payoff. You sell your products plus like AdSense crush from YouTube. It's not instant, you gotta keep posting, but it's doable anywhere. Back when I was fraud, I would say no this, now I'm sharing it with you. If you like this, smash the like button, it's mean a lot. Subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss out. And check my last video over there about using DeepSeek. We share the phone to make money. Hi, what's up everyone, start by Interesting Trendy. I made a big move. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I was done with nurturing, and since then, I've been running all sorts of online business. It's been wild ride, and honestly, it's even been this way to sense of freedom I never thought I had. But here's the thing, I figured out along the way, starting an online business doesn't have to be this huge. Straight fountain, so there are church way to do it, but there are also this chill, almost lazy way, that even a total deal buy can jump into. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you snap your fingers and watch gas run down. You still gotta put in some work. But today I'm spilling the beans on a couple of super easy method that will let you making money online without breaking the bank or risking it all. These are perfect if you are starting out and want something simple that can still bring on solid income. Oh, and quick heads up, this isn't finance advice, okay? I'm just sharing what worked for me, my own journey, and the lesson I pick up why beauty multiply income stream online. Let's dive in. Method 1. Affiliate income website. Alright, first up, one of my all-time favorite lazy way to make money online, building an affiliate income website. Picture this, a few years back, I was stuck in that 9-to-5 life, dreaming of something better. I stumbled across this idea, I gave it a shot, and it surely changed the game for me. It's why it's so cheap. You set up a website, slap some affiliate links on there, and you are good. You don't have to ship anything, you don't need a warehouse full of stuff, none of the headache. All you do is build the site, make it look decent, and let it do heavy lifting. So how does it work? You sign up for this thing called affiliate program, they give you special link, you pop those links on your site, maybe on the homepage or in blog posts. Someone lists buy something and bam, you got commission. Easy, right? Most people think of stuff like Amazon promoting physical products like Gadget or both. That's cool, but if you really want to level up, go for digital stuff like software or less tools. Why? Because some of these pay recurring commissions. Imagine this, you get one person to sign up for a software through your link, and you keep getting paid every month they use it. That's money rolling in while you're just chilling. Here's real example from my old playbook. I use this site called PatentSec. It's packaged with software program. You can promote some by 30% per sale. Order to like bonus like $2,000 and can offer those sweet lifetime commission. My tip, get your website looking legit fast. Then apply to this program, they will approve you faster. For building aside, I swear by Hasinger, it's cheap, super easy, and the AI can wire up my website in like 30 seconds. I did one called Top Software Pick, or something like that. And it's written before I could finish my coffee. I'll wrap a link below if you want to check it out. Trust me, this is a method no brainer, low effort. Method 2, selling educational product. Next up, let's talk about selling education products like ebooks or digital courses. This one another game that's lazy in the best way possible. Back when I was first figuring this all that stuff out, I wasted so much time overthinking things. Then I realized people are out there they're searching for info they can find easily, and they could package up and sell it. No shipping, no inventory. Here's how I do it now. First, I pop around with two lights at DBD to find hot topics people say to rank on Google with SEO. Then I double check with the Google chain to mess with us are actually searching for it. Once I got my niche, I used an awesome tool with a step-by-step SEO guide, and it split out from the cost of ebooks out in seconds. Pick a cool design, hit generate, and you got something ready to sell. I make one the other day. That's where it took me less time than it still deciding what to watch Netflix. From there, it's about your Hasinger to build a quick website. Tell it you are selling digital downloads and your product and you are live. The beauty of this, once it's up, people buy it, download it, and you don't lift a finger. It's like planting a million trees that keep growing. If I know how simple this was back when I started, I have quit that job way sooner. You can do this too, no excuse. So there you have it, choose a simple way to make money online, just a laptop and some Wi-Fi. The affiliate websiting got me out of the suit crossing 9 to 5 and sell digital products, keep the cash flowing with barely any hassle. Look, I'm not saying it all sunshine and rainbows. There's a bit more to it, some trial and error. But this stuff I wish someone had told me one day. It would save me so much shit and put me on the right track faster. If you're hungry for more, I got another video where I break down an achievement, step-by-step super practical stuff. It's already helped ton of people. I get messages all the time from Rob saying, it's really a game changer. Hi, what's up everyone? So a couple of days ago, I wrote a video on this channel where I walk you through how I keep up a time or so over the years that turned it into the legged online business. Those business, they let me teach you 9 to 5 travel shoot flights, and live like how I want. You guys seem to love it. I got a ton of comment and even some DM on Instagram. So it hot, why not keeping the vibe going? Today I'm spilling the tea on how I made passive income online. Stick around if you want you that freedom too. This one all about building passive income, you know. Money that roll is without you clock in every day. It's different from the edgy income stuff I talked about last time. If you remain up working from beach or just chilling without a boss breathing down your neck, I'm gonna show you a short strategy I use to make it happen. Before we jump in really quick, this isn't financial advice, okay? I'm just sharing what worked for me, my own story, my own wins. Think of this as a mid-entertainment and some solid shapes. If you hang out to the end, I promise you will pick up something that could flip your money game upside down in a good way. So here the secret sauce, reverse engineering. It's where you pick your dream goal and work backwards to figure out how to get there. For me, when I started, I was like, I want to 10K a month coming in passively. Maybe your goal is $1,000 a month, or maybe you aim in big like 30K. Whatever it is, start with the number, make everything clearer. Back in the day, I was rock, lived in a tiny apartment. I watched this user plus in their freedom. I thought that's gonna be me, so I set that 10,000K goal, and it gave me a roadmap. You gotta know where you headed to know what steps to check. Let's break it down real quick. Actual income. That's your regular job. Punch in, punch out, get paid for the hour. If you are barista, you only make money. You only making money when you pouring coffee. Passive income thought. That's a grim. You put in some work upfront, like saying an hour design or something, and escape paying you years later. The internet perfect for this. You can reach people in Japan or Brazil 24/7 without lifting a finger after setup. That's a game changer. Now here's a two. Passive income doesn't mean no one working. It means someone else is your buyers. They are out there owning their craft and spending on what you offer. I learned it in this tag way. Early on, I made this trending ebook about Finnish hats. Then I realized I wasn't thinking about who buy it. Once I started focused on real people, helping them solve real problem, money start flowing. Whatever you sell, make it valuable, treat it with care, and the gas prolo. So what do? I'm pulling over $1,000 a month, which is stuff like 1. All it cost it. I met a cost on productive hats, caught it, and it's a wire slip. 2. Stock photography. I upload this I shoot on my travel to site. I stuff the stock, people buy them, and I get paid. 3. Print on demand. I design t-shirt, and when someone order, a company print and save it. I just cut the check. 4. Membership size. I run a small community for freelancer, $20 a month per person, fully automated. 5. Blog with ads. I gonna travel a lot with your ads. People read it. I am penny public. Add it up fast. The trick. I always ask how this helping the person on the other side. That's when the money really rolls. Next one. Automate with AI and tools. Next up, sit my everything. I don't sit on my laptop all day. AI and software do heavy lifting. For example, I use Canva with AI to read up design for my t-shirt in minutes and automate my cost email. Someone sign up, then they get welcome email them. That even stuff like machinery for the agent I just sell online. Back when I started, I was doing everything manually, but now fast. Now AI my best friend. If you want a video on my top 10 AI tool, that's maybe thousands of it, drop AI tool video in the comment, I'll hook you up. Alright, next one, average traffic. That's people finding your search months or years after you make it. Like I got a blog spot on top 10 travel gags. It's been ranking on Google for 2 years. Still ringing a cash. On my free on-demand store, I sell holiday item masks. On my free on-demand store, I sell holiday theme masks, but I beat designer group all year, or just Christmas. Compare the trendy stuff like if I made a t-shirt then cost, stay in a month. Every means long-term money. Focus on stuff people always need. Here's where I messed up early. I tried everything at once. Dropshipping, retail trading, putting sneaker, zero focus, zero results. Then I read this book, The One Thing, and it hit me. Pick one scheme and master it. So I dropped everything and went on in my travel blog. Once that started making $5,000 a month, I added courses, then photography. Now I got 5 schemes. But it's static with focus. Pick one thing you vibe with, and you'll have scale later. Most important, start today. Seriously, I use your everything, or I need your perfect plan. Enough. The day I uploaded my first blog vlog, I had no clue what I was doing. But that let you next that, then the next. If something costs it, I block whatever fish you. Build every traffic, automate a switch to buyer and hit your goal. $2,000, $10,000, whatever. Nothing happened without a first move. Trust me, I was stuck until I just did it.